Welcome to Device Help Support, your ultimate destination for everything related to device setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experiences. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for more videos related to setup, troubleshooting, and unboxing. And don't forget to press the bell icon so you don't miss our latest videos. So our today's topic is how to set up Muvit 4 Antenna Wi-Fi Range Extender. If your Wi-Fi router provides wireless internet access for all over your home, then this Muvit 4 Antenna Wi-Fi Range Extender setup is the one of the best solution. The Muvit 4 Antenna Wi-Fi Range Extender is a compact, plug-in device that boosts your home or small office Wi-Fi coverage up to 300 megabits per second by repeating your main router's signal. So without wasting any time, let's start the setup process. First of all, plug the Muvit extender into a power outlet near your router. Wait for the power LED to turn solid. On your phone or laptop, go to Wi-Fi settings. Connect to the extender's default network name, e.g., Muvit_EXT or similar, check label/manual. Open any web browser, Chrome, Firefox, Safari, etc. In the address bar, type either http://192.168.10.1 or http://ap.setup. Press Enter. You will see the login screen. Enter the default login credentials. Username is admin or password is also admin, or leave it blank. Check the manual or back label if different. Click Login or Submit. Once inside the dashboard, choose repeater mode or wireless repeater from the mode options. The extender will scan and show a list of available Wi-Fi networks. Click on your main Wi-Fi network name, SSID, from the list. Enter the password of your main Wi-Fi router. You may also be asked to set an SSID for the extended network. You can keep it the same as your main Wi-Fi or add _EXT to identify it. Click on Save, Apply, or Finish, depending on the interface. The extender will reboot. Wait for 1 to 2 minutes. After setup, unplug the extender and move it halfway between your router and the area with weak Wi-Fi signal. I hope this video will prove helpful for you. If you're stuck in middle of the process, then don't worry. Contact our professional experts at 1-323-507-3713. They will solve your problem as soon as possible. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Devices Help and Support. And also stay tuned for the more updates.